What's up guys, I don't know if you can hear me. Thanks for watching another video. Today we have something nice in store. It's the first car meet for the year. Yeah guys, we're gonna start doing car meets and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm at the garage now here in Belleville. I had a G-Mobile here, another ST just pulled up behind me and so on. We almost at the place we drove. I didn't want to film and stuff like that, just to make the video but short and so on, you know, short and sweet. I'll fill up the script once we're there. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Yo, bro, you know this is the first car meet now. I'm going to do my own car. Yeah, here we have stock polos. You know the usual polos you see in Cape Town. Whoa! Man, you're acting, bro. You're nuts. Okay, so yeah. Nice polo over there. Yo, what's that turbocharge? Kijk wat moet te zien hier. Maar that thing sounds sweet, man. Okay, here's a normal polo. It's a nice polo over there. I wouldn't mind one of it. Yeah, is it now? Sight. 80. Between us two, yeah, pick your poison. Almost every car here in Cape Town nowadays come up with pops and bangs, bro. City boys as usual. If you have a Audi, I think it's an RS5 or S5. Some bags, looks sweet though. Got some more Audi content here. Sight. Listen, say listen here. Audi 206 look. It looks sweet, bro.
I've got a turbo there. I want to do one for
Sweet, sweet guys.
This goes like the trunk.
Yeah, we got some GTR action guys. Oh, this thing is sweet. Sweet as fuck. Sweet at the guys. We show this one, there's that one driving with us on the entrance. Let's see here. Yo. This look almost like fresh kicks one. And these ones just look more badass. Yeah guys, as you can see, the turnout is great. Awesome. Yeah, let's move on. And you have some more ST content. Hey! Yo, Grant, you should have come with, bro. Look at this turnout. Hey! I done a review like this on the previous video. I don't know if you guys saw. You can just check it out. I'll probably leave it above here and so on. But yeah, here we go. There's that. Ethan, what spec did you say this thing is?
RTR.
R2R. Or RTR.
RTR.
I don't know too much about Mustang, so nice thing, sweet man. Yes, they must have one of those. This thing mooi, bro. Mooi example of a touch and triple is, no? Check this thing's interior. Sure. Thing is clean, man. Yo, look at his yours, bro. I need to get me one of it. Nice GTI. Yeah, Polo C6. Polo intake. Nice stuff. We got another GTI. You can see here got some carbon fiber action. Thing looks sweet. Black top roof, black out. Here's another one. 7.5. Sure. Short, buddy. How's that thing, bro? Come beat that. NAV8 sound, bro.
It sound nice, no?
Oh, wait. Just 135 now. I tell you what you done. Diffuser, tops, rums. Oh, wait. Really sweet. Other GTI. Bro, there's a whole lot of GTIs here, man. Like, every GTI people's not even surprising. We're like, okay, yeah, you are one of those. And the usual stones, boys. Look here. You know the main shit now? That polo drivers make the most accidents.
Oh, hier, dus het is goed aan de nieuws.
Yeah, bro, that's insane, man.
Het is aan de nieuws, bro.
Clean, no?
Yeah.
There are things in here, bro.
C20X.
Shush. My guy. See the snail there. You know what's going on. You know what's going on, brother. What's up, guys? Yeah, so today we are with
Shaw Williams.
So Shaw Williams, yeah, Shaw has this beauty of an Opel here behind us. He's just gonna give us a run through of the car and so on. Yeah, go ahead, bro.
Nah, so basically, it's a CD16 valve GSI. But then what was done was just the 200 TS parts slapped onto the standard block with low compression pistons. That's it. Small turbo, low boost, makes enough power.
How much kilowatts are you pushing out?
I'll give a rough estimate of 180.
Shiz, bro, that's a VVL, bro. It's not here. Oh, hey. Bro, I must say it's a nice car. Thank you, man, for a short interview. Really appreciate it.
Anytime, bro.
Oh, yeah, sure. Kaya I know who you are, but yeah, you're a nice car. I like that room on that thing. Yes, brother. Yes, sir. Send it. Send it. There's rooms, you know, look almost like HRE wheels, you know, that everyone put on the F80s. Vang jy? I like the what's his name. Some people know, I don't know if this is lights now, but some people, those pieces here, no, they make it lights. In at night it shine. Look that, man. Yeah, to be honest, honestly, no, I'm not too much a big fan of that gear to come up so. Your car must really be aggressive, and I don't like a street car to be so aggressive. Check it, Alpha Julia. Yo, it's just a turbo, man. And we're not even going for us, no? So did you ever see one of us already? Alpha Julia. But I don't know if this is like the sports or what's the name of it? It's Alpha Romeo's version of the G80, man. Oh shit, here's my car. Yo. There's a lot of Mark 7.5s, man. More than a person now, and it's just what's his name? HD Crew Cape Town. Yeah, it's on. It's on. The circles.
Oh.
Okay, that's bro. This thing must rev, man. I like the way this thing's cool. Here's that ball, bro. Hey! Hey, what's that, man? Hey, strap op, is die lek op jou? Oi. Is bit. Somehow I don't know if this man got the sauce. I don't think so. Luca, I think it's also Luca. Yes, all but. Send it! So, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but I think I have like a green sparkle in the thing. Hey! Rocco. Klaus Wood. Yes, sir. Rest in peace, your news. Yeah guys, so we left the comment now. We are at a cool spot here with some dam here inside the world. I don't know this world so well. So yeah, we're saying that yeah, we're gonna do a few cinematics here, seeing the scenes now, scenic and so on. Yeah, and then we're gonna conclude this video guys. If you enjoyed this, my first time doing something like this. So yeah, if you enjoyed it and you think there's stuff I can work on to improve and so on in the future, please leave it in the comments below. I'll really appreciate it. But yeah, nevertheless, there's that. I'm gonna get out now and conclude this video. Stay tuned for the cinematics and don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.